In emerging industrial era, robotic loading and unloading can meet requirements of fast and mass processing pace, saving labor costs, improving production efficiency, and become an ideal choice for more and more factories. Loading and unloading robot system has high efficiency and stability, simple structure, and easier maintenance. It can meet production of different types of products. For users, it can quickly adjust product type and expand production capacity, greatly reduce labor intensity of workers. Based on robot manufacturing, Yooheart company gradually spreads to field of industrial integration automation. YH1010A-143 robot is used in the loading and unloading application of CNC machines to carry out loading, unloading and clamping, workpiece shift reversal, workpiece sequence conversion processing, etc. In the design, we use one pulling two, that is one robot carries out loading and unloading work for two CNC lathes at the same time. All data is transmitted to host in real time, and production management worker can know the situation of each loading and unloading workstation at any time. The processing workshop with nearly 100 people can now achieve mass production with only 3 to 5 people, truly realizing unmanned factory.